Hey, welcome back to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make all text fit in one page. So let's follow the steps. This is my document, but some of the text is moving on to the second page, but I want all this text to be placed on this first page. So how to do it without any manual settings? First of all, go to Customize Quick Excel toolbar, present on the left, top side, then scroll down and click on More Commands. Click on Choose Command Form and thereby select All Commands option. Now search for Shrink One Page option, scroll down. Here we have Shrink One Page option, click on it and add it. Then click OK. Now that option, Shrink to One Page, has been added to our Word document. Simply select or highlight all of your text and then click this option that is Shrink to Fit, so you can see that the text has been automatically shrinked to one page. Thank you for watching.